Welcome back guys, in this video we'll be exploring methods. In this video we're going to be using structures and pointers. So if you aren't familiar with them, I highly recommend you click the info card in the top right and watch my videos on both of them. So a method is a function defined on a type. It's a bit hard to explain, so let's go ahead and write some code. So as you guys can see, I created a ninja type with a name and speed field. In our main function, we have two variables of type ninja. We have ninja1 right here and ninja2. So let's go ahead and create a method on our ninja type that makes our ninja dash. Defining a method is somewhat similar to defining a regular function. So to create our method, the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and type func. And then I'm just going to put open and close brackets just like this. And in between these two brackets, we're going to put the type we're defining the method on. Since I want to define this method on my ninja type, I'm just going to type ninja. Then to the left of that, we need to put a variable name. And this variable is what's known as the receiver of the method. We can put anything here, but I'm just going to put n since n stands for ninja. When our method is called, n is going to be equal to the ninja it's called on. If it sounds a bit complicated, don't worry. I'm going to break it down after we run our code. Now to the right, we need to give our method a name. Since this method is going to make the ninja dash, I'm just going to type dash. And then we need to put brackets just like this. And if we want our method to take parameters, we have to put them between these two brackets right here, just like a regular function. I'm going to leave them empty since I don't want our dash method to take any parameters. Now I'm just going to put curly brackets here just like this. And just like a regular function, we're going to put our method's code in between these two curly brackets. I'm just going to type fmt.printf %s dash %d meters. New line. And then I'm just going to put comma n.name and then comma n.speed. So this code right here is just going to print out a simple message using n.name and n.speed. If you don't understand why we have n.name here and n.speed, don't worry, because like I said, I'm going to break it down after we run our code. So now we've created our dash method on our ninja type. So let's actually use it. Let's call our dash method on ninja1 and ninja2. We can access the functions defined on our ninja type the same way we can access fields on our ninja type. So I'm just going to type ninja1 dot dash and then I'm going to put brackets. And let's also call our dash method on ninja2. So down here I'm just going to type ninja2 dot dash and then I'm going to put brackets. Now let's go ahead and run the code. And as you can see, our program printed out Cody-10 meters and Alice-5 meters. So let's break down what happened. So in this line of code right here, we call the dash method on our ninja1 variable. And when the method was executed, this n variable right here was equal to a copy of ninja1. That's why n.name and n.speed right here were equal to ninja1's name and speed. And the same thing happened when we called our dash method on ninja2, which is why when our dash method was executed the second time, n.name and n.speed was equal to ninja2's name and speed. So now I'm going to show you guys how to create a method with a pointer receiver. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete our dash method right here. And I'm also going to delete this code right here since we don't need it. So let's make a method named train that increases a ninja's speed. And I want our train method to take an hour parameter. And for every hour the ninja trains, the ninja's speed will increase by 1. So if we call our train method and pass it a parameter of 5, I want the ninja speed to increase by 5. So right here I'm just going to type func brackets n ninja, and then right here I'm just going to type train since we want to name this method train. And then I'm going to put brackets, and then in here I'm just going to put hours and then int, since we want our method to take an hours parameter. Then let's just put curly brackets right here. Now inside our method we want to increase the ninja speed, so I'm just going to type n.speed plus equals hours. So this line of code is just going to increase n speed by the amount of hours passed to the method. Now in our main function, let's call our train method on our ninja1 variable. So I'm just going to type ninja1 dot train just like this. And let's put 5 in between these brackets so we can increase our ninja speed by 5. And I want to print our ninja speed before and after he trained. So right here I'm just going to type fmt.println ninja1.speed. And then I'm just going to copy this and paste it right here. Now let's go ahead and run the code. And as you guys can see, our ninja speed wasn't changed. And that's because our n variable right here is equal to a copy of ninja1. That means changes to n won't affect ninja1. So what we can do to fix this is make n here a pointer to the ninja it's called on instead of a copy. To do this, all we have to do is put an asterisk right here before ninja. So now all changes to n will affect the ninja it's called on since n is a pointer and not a copy. So let's go ahead and run the code again. And as you guys can see, our train method now affected the ninja1 variable. The speed increased from 10 to 15. So in this example, we increased the speed of the ninja named Cody. Right now I only have 4 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate if you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so my sub count can increase as well.